समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताय पतये नमः अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकीशोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम्। हरि ओम हरि ओम। This satsang topic will be the introduction for next year class. Yeah. It is a very big topic. Rama, the ideal man. It's a Valmiki Maharishi. First, he only wrote Ramayana in Sanskrit. Is volume is okay? You're little, I think you can little increase. Can increase a little. Hari Om. Hari Om. It's better? This is better. Better. Valmiki Maharishi, first he wrote Ramayana in Sanskrit. This is the first Ramayana. He only introduced us who is Rama. Then afterwards many poets came and they wrote in their own language according to the need of the time. Kamban wrote in Tamil. Tulasidas ji, he wrote in Avadi Bhasha. And many poets came. Kalidasa wrote in his own style, describing Rama's life. Many poets came and they also contributed in the line of Valmiki. Why Valmiki wrote this Ramayana? We'll see this. We'll see what is the purpose behind it. Why unnecessarily to write Ramayana? Unnecessary. Because he wrote Ramayana, we are here to study about Ramayana. Spending time on that. And many scholars also spending time on that. So many years they spend time and do research on Ramayana. Why? What is the purpose behind to write this Ramayana? First Valmiki wrote Ramayana, right? This is Valmiki Maharishi. Yeah, Valmiki Maharishi, you should not have any doubt. This is the outline drawing for Valmiki Maharishi. Valmiki taught this Ramayana to Lavakusa. Kusha and Lava, they are the sons of Rama. First time he taught. Then Lavakusha spread this Ramayana. And in turn they also started preaching Ramayana everywhere. That's why he taught Lavakusha. This also you see. And he kept name. Only we are very familiar with Ramayana. The name Ramayana, that's all. The life of Rama. Suppose you ask a question to any child. You tell me in one word answer. Life of Ramayana, it's a dash. Immediately they will tell you Ramayana. We are very familiar with the name Ramayana, life of Rama. But Valmiki has given 3 names in his book for Ramayana. The one name is very familiar, Ramayana, Ramasyayana, the path of Rama. How he walked in his life, Rama. And one more name he has given to this Ramayana, his Ramayana, Sita Charitam. Not only hero is highlighted there. Very good. Heroine also highlighted. If you see from hero's angle, Ramayana. If you see from heroine's angle, Sita Charitam. See how he has given the name. And not only he kept that, hero and heroine there, he brought other person also. Paulastyavadam, Ravanavadam. He brought the villain also there. Villain also there. He is also highlighted. When Rama fights with the person, the villain, the climax scene, okay, the climax scene should be very, very, very majestic scene, very emotional and majestic scene. So you have to keep that villain also very in a very high place. Such a great villain has been killed by the hero, and he is highlighting Ravana also. Paulastya. He took birth in the Pulastya Vamsa, Ravana. That's why the name is given Paulastya. Paulastya Vadam. Sita Charitam. Ramayanam, Sita Charitam, Paulastya Vadam. These all three names are given by Valmiki Maharishi to his book. Very popularly we are calling this book as Ramayana. This is a small information you need to know. Valmiki has given. This is the name. Okay, now these are the topics you find in Valmiki Ramayana, subjects from Ramayana. If you read Ramayana, life of Ramayana is given, right? Life of Rama, Sita is given. But other than this, values of Rama, more than 200 values you can collect from Ramayana. I collected personally more than 200 values, which is impossible to see even one good value in us also. Somebody is asking them, you write down all your positive qualities. You will take at least 1 hour to write even one. All positive, all negative, I will tell you in 5 minutes. All positive. Rama has got more than 200 positive value. That's why we call him Aganita Gunanatha. The countless, he has got the countless values. Aganita Gunanatha. Ganita means counted. Aganita. We cannot count the values of Ram. Such a great values. Supreme values. Supreme values means in the time of adversity, the problem, crisis. So we are good. When everything is very good, when all the situations good, we are very good. Like Mahatma Gandhi. Why? Everything is good around me. If something goes wrong, then will become Ravana or Duryodhana or Kamsa. Right? If something goes wrong, at the time of crisis also you have to see Rama. When Kaikeyi asked Rama to go to forest for 14 years for no reason, Kaikeyi asked, you have to go to forest, not excursion or some camp, you do camp for a week and come back. No, 14 years camp. Maranopamam Vakyam. Valmiki says, this is Maranopamam Vakyam. It's equal to death. Death sentence. Having heard that, he went. Not only he went simply, he did namaskar to that, he did pradakshina to that, the holy water. Actually, that holy water should have been poured on his head on that day for Pattabhishek. So he did pradakshina on that and he went away. Nobody will do except Rama. These are supreme values. Even the crisis also he followed that dharma. We have to see that. When you read this Ramayana, your heart will melt like anything. Nowhere you see great values, supreme values. Heroism of Rama. If there is a hero in a text, he has to show the heroism. Then only we admire him. You have to see what are the places he showed his heroism. Very interesting. Beauty of Rama. Rama is a very, very attractive personality. Very attractive. Once if you see Rama, mind will go. Kamban says in Kamba Ramayana. Can I bring the Tamil quote? I will try to explain. Kamban says in Kamba Ramayana. தோள் கண்டார் தோளே கண்டார் தொடுகழல் கமலவண்ண தாள் கண்டார் தாளே கண்டார் தடக்கை கண்டாரும் அக்தே வாழ் கொண்ட கண்ணார் யாரே வடிவனை முடிய கண்டார் ஊழ் கொண்ட சமயத்தான் நான் உருவு கண்டாரை ஒத்தார். This is Tamil. I'm not scolding at you. Tamil. What are you talking? Kamban says, தோள் கண்டார் தோளே கண்டார். Beauty of Rama. Whoever sees this, the shoulder of the Rama, they are not able to take their eyes from the shoulder. And whoever sees the feet of the Rama, they are not able to take the eyes from this feet. Whichever the part, The eye goes and merges with the part. It's impossible to take it back to go to another part. Valkonda kannariyare vadivanai mudiyai kandar. He says that it's I don't think any person lives in Ayodhya who has seen Rama completely. No one has seen Rama completely. Getting it? Ulkonda samayathan nan uruvu kandare otthar. He says the example, he brings the example. Every person who follows its own religion, he says, my religion is the best. Getting it? Every person, one who follows his own religion, he says, my religion is the best in the world. In the same way, those who have the darshan of Rama, they say only Rama's hand is best. Those who saw Rama's or that leg part, they say Rama's feet is best. See, everyone is telling like that. Nobody has seen Rama completely. Nobody understood all the religions or that right path to reach the ultimate. Very interesting, beauty. The same way, every kavi, every poet has brought this kind of the beauty of Rama. When Lord takes birth, takes avatar, he has to show his attractive form. Then only our mind will go towards him. So the beauty is explained. Dharma Nishta for Rama. Very, very interesting. He never came out of this path of Dharma. Dharma Nishta. Very interesting. The interpersonal relationship of Rama. We have to learn how to keep up a relationship with the human being from Rama. Rama is an ideal person. We should not think Rama lived once in Treta Yuga. He lived in Treta Yuga. He is Lord, or the avatar of Lord Vishnu. All these things are possible for Rama. I am an ordinary human being. Many times when I read this kind of scriptures, we come to comment like this. They are ordinary human being. He lived in palace. Excuse me, living in palace is very tough. Living in an ordinary house is very, very easy. We do whatever we want in our house. Ordinary life is very, very easy. When you live in the palace, taking a birth, the son of king is not ordered. They have all the schedule from morning till night. According to schedule, you know you have to live. Whether you like it or not, you have to take the sword and you have to fight. Every day, half an hour. Every day, half an hour, you have to jump from the ground to your horse. Whether you like it or not, you have to do the horse riding. You have to eat this kind of food. It's a very difficult life. When Rama took birth as a son of king, Dharma Nishta, interpersonal relationship, very interesting. Rishis of Ramayana. Only if you take the Rishis of Ramayana, you can write 1,800-page book. I'm telling you, every topic. Spiritual thoughts in Ramayana, message for life, practical life tips. Practical life tips, very interesting. So all the topics I have, all the materials. I did this kind of work. More than 12 or 15 years I worked on this. Just I'm telling you the topic. These are the topics. Very interesting topic. Not only Ramayana says about Rama's life, all this kind of thing you can get extract from Ramayana. Values of other characters, not only Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrugna, and other Guha, Vibhishana, Hanuman, Sugriva, other characters also contributing to this great epic. Very good. Very, very great characters. Brothers of Ramayana. You have to see the brothers of Ramayana. Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrugna is one kind of brothers. And other, the brothers, the same Ramayana, you see, Vali and Sugriva. The relationship between Vali and Sugriva. Sugriva brought Rama, killed Vali, and he took up this Kishkinda Rajya. Sugriva. The same Ramayana. How Vali and Sugriva lived. The same Ramayana, you have to see in Lanka. Ravana, Vibhishana, Kumbhakarna, how they live. And one more brothers, the same Ramayana, see. Jatayu and Sampati. If you take only the brothers of Ramayana, Jatayu Sampati, how they contributed their life to Rama. Vali Sugriva, how the misunderstanding was happened between these two people. And among the Sugriva, Ravana, Vibhishana, Kumbhakarna. Why Kumbhakarna supported Ravana's all his activities. Why Vibhishna did not support that? Ravana. So this is the kind of brother. Here one more, the ideal brothers, Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrugna. Brothers, only brothers in Ramayana, you take up a subject and you can study it. Our brothers in our own house. We also have brothers. This is not included any of these kinds in Ramayana. This is special brothers I have in my house. Brothers in Ramayana. Getting very nice topics. Sub-stories, more than 20 stories you have. The mainstream is Ramayana. So in Ramayana you have more than 20 stories, sub-stories. And story links also. Story link. When Ravana kidnapped Sita, at that time, at the beginning of that time, so the vulture, or the Jatayu went and what that? He was fighting with the Ravana to protect Sita. So Ravana took this sword, which he has got from Lord Shiva. He was cutting his wings, Jatayu's wings. Jatayu fell down at the time. After some time, Rama came and Rama looked at Jatayu. At the time of death, Jatayu told a sloka. Jatayu mentioned, this is the Ravana. Ravana is the person finished. He died there. You getting it? He just introduced that person, he brought the name and died. You have to see the same slokas repeated by Sampati and the Kishkinda Ganda there. Same sloka, same line, same akshara. The first line, where he left that, okay, he brought that first line of Jatayu and filled up the second line. See how the story link from Aranyakanda to Kishkinda. Very interesting. He said that Ravana kidnapped Sita, he kept Sita in Lanka, finished. Very interesting like that. Story links. Is it okay? Are you okay? Just creating interest or curiosity in the subject. Not only Rama's story. So side stories you see, you will enjoy like in the Rama's community. We have our own community. Rama's community. Guha, see the tribal community. Rama. And community of Rakshasas. Are you getting it? Community of Devas also coming outwards and having a relationship with Rama. Devas, Rakshasas, monkeys. Are you getting it? He has got gang everywhere. 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 Wherever Rama goes, he makes very nice kind of relationship in community. So they felt that Rama is one among in our community. See that? There is no taratamya, ups and downs. Tribals or the monkeys, human beings in the Ayodhya, the Devas with the rishis. Very interesting. Actually, one topic you take, okay, one topic can be researched and you can make one PhD among this. One PhD you can do on one topic. We have a problem of the community. Only I know how to relate myself with my community, not with other communities. See Rama, how he lived with all community, monkey, human being, devas, rakshasas. Getting it? Moving with all community people. And trees and animals, birds also, not only human beings, devas and monkeys or rakshasas. He knew how to develop this kind of very nice relationship with the trees, animals and birds. When Sita was kidnapped, at that time, trees, animals, and birds also, they were crying. And they also showed Rama what happened to, they also explained Rama what happened to Sita. Very interesting to read in Aranyakanda. People waiting for Rama to get release from their curse. The many people were waiting. When Rama took avatar, he has to keep the hit list, not his list. This is a list. So without forgetting, he has to release one by one. Tataka, Ahalya, and many the Rakshasas on the way. These are the side work. These are the main job, the side jobs. His main job is he has to spend 14 years in the forest. So on the way, he has to hit all these people. They are getting over that, out of their curse. And they are doing tapas, characters of Ramayana, other characters. The other values from Ramayana is different. Other characters, how they contributed. If you see Ramayana's characters, you can say 100% in all the, what do you call? All the characters can be given 100% mark. How brother should live, you have to take Bharat, 100 marks can be. How father, what is that, our Dasharatha, 100 marks. Only one place he got half mark less, that's all. Other 99.99% he got. Only Kaikeya with Kaikeyi slip, that's all. Small slippery. Mother, how mother should be, Kausalya. How wife should be, Sita. How man should be, 100% Rama. How servant should be, Hanuman, 100%. How enemy should be, 100%. Yeah. If you take Sita, you should not give till you die. Otherwise, in the half the way, if he has given Sita also, story has gone. Getting it? How enemy should. So if you take all the characters, they are fulfilling their, their role. They did very nicely. If you take Mahabharata, in Mahabharata you see so many ups and downs. So many ups and downs. Arjuna, confused at the time of that's why he got Bhagavad Gita from Krishna. Yudhishthira, he played this, the dice, then the problem comes. All the characters. Bhishma is not taking up this kind of the responsibility. He has given his own life for his father's wish, simple wish. For simple wish, he has given a whole, complete big responsibility of kingship. Dronacharya, he has got the weakness of attachment to this, his son, Ashwatthama. See his commitment towards the war. He was leading the war and he heard that your son has died. Your son is died. Ashwatthama Hato. When my son dies in the war, I will not do the war, that's all. Are you getting it? See the commitment. Hey, you have taken a very big commitment. The big commitment, you have attached with your son. When my son dies in the war, I will stop the war. What kind of commitment? You see that. You can see many the shortcomings with many characters in the Mahabharata. But here you cannot see. Complete text, Ramayana. I hope you are getting the points. In Mahabharata, Krishna also played very nice games in the Mahabharata war. Very interesting. You can find a mistake anywhere in Mahabharata. In all the characters you can find mistake. Even if you try, you cannot make any mistake. You cannot find mistake. Only if you try, you can find a mistake with Kaikeyi. When till Rama goes to forest, she was very adamant. After the Rama's forest life, okay, she became very normal. I did mistake. Now everything happened now. After that she realized. So that character also, after 99 marks, she got one more mark for grace, then she got 100 marks. Interesting to watch the Idihasa. This is Idihasa, the complete Idihasa. You try to find out the mistake. Big mistake will not get. All full mark you can. Characters of character in charge of each kanda. Every kanda has got one Sapta kanda. What do you call the Ramayana has got 7 kandas according to our Valmiki. Kamban has written only 6. The Valmiki is 7. The main branch is called kanda there. Balakanda. In Balakanda in charge, whole Balakanda is taken by Vishwamitra Rishi. Vishwamitra is the main character in Balakanda. And after the Ayodhya Kanda, the main character you know very well. Who is that? Kuni. What do you call? Mantara. Because Mantara came there and taken the whole in charge, given another direction to the epic. Some main character should be there. The main branch. And after that, Aranyakanda. Aranyakanda, who is that in charge there? Surpanaga came there. Surpanaga came and given the direction. Are you getting it? The This is a turning point in the important, or the main branch. And Kishkinda Kanda, Sugriva comes there. Sundarakanda, our Hanuman, he took up complete charge. He is a hero of the Sundarakanda. The whole Ramayana, if you read whole Ramayana, after Rama, the contribution to the Ramayana is by our Hanuman. When you read whole Ramayana, after Rama, you can say he is the second hero of the text. Hanuman, yeah. He contributed so much. In Sundarakanda, there is no place for Rama and Sita. Rama is crying here, Sita is crying here. Who is main person? Hanuman. Hanuman took charge. He became so that powerful hero there. And when Hanuman went and came back, I tell you have to read Ramayana very intensely. Hanuman went and came back. He was telling, hey, I had darshan of Sita. At that time, many monkeys were waiting waiting for Hanuman's message. When he came with the positive message, many monkeys came and touched Hanuman's tail and they were doing namaskar. They were touching Hanuman's tail. Hanuman's tail has become so holy object to touch. And read, very interesting. And they were enjoying the success there. Very interesting. Powerful. I think that like that many were that. Kishkinda Ganda is taken by in charge Sugriva and Sundarakanda. Yuddha Ganda, Vibhishana comes there. Vibhishana comes and gives the direction. Of course, the final Uttaraganda or Valmiki comes and finishes the whole story. Very nice, in charge of each Ganda. If you read Ramayana like this, you will not get one lifetime. We will not have time for gossip. If somebody asks, you come, we will gossip in our house. No, I don't have time. Why? Completely committed in this. Completely, our mind also getting purified. We are getting new message also. I tell you, no need to study any or the bestseller books. All the best-selling books, okay, you can create your own or the books from this Ramayana. Ramayana is a treasure book. In whichever the angle you go and dive into it, you will get it. You will get it. Very interesting. Philosophy in Ramayana. Philosophy in Rama, Gurudev used to say the essence of Ramayana. Rama, the Atma, Sita, the mind. Now, Atma is alone, there is no problem. When mind comes and unites with the Atma, then problem starts. They started living in Dandakaranya. This is Dandakaranya. But this is Samsara Lok. And the mind, till the mind is focusing towards the Atma, there is no problem. When mind turns towards the world, the attractive, or the golden deer, then the problem comes. How the Sita went, how the Jiva went into Samsara, how Guru or Hanuman comes and unites Jiva and Ishvara. The whole thing, Gurudev said the philosophy of Ramayana. So you take the book, symbolism in Hinduism, he has given complete Ramayana philosophy. Complete Ramayana philosophy. You can see whole Ramayana philosophy also. You can get management thoughts in Ramayana. So 100 years back only the management thought came from West, 1900. In the year 1900, only the management thought came from West and occupied the whole world. This happened in Treta Yuga. Ramayana lived in Treta Yuga. So there itself Rama brought this management and leadership thought. Rama led and managed not human beings, monkeys. Monkeys managed and led by Rama. You read Kishkinda Ganda, Sundarakanda, so many management thoughts you can take. So I am handling this management thoughts and leadership. Leadership and management thoughts from Valmiki Ramayana is my next topic in Philadelphia next month. And I submitted one international paper on this topic. How Rama, new management thoughts you can bring. Very interesting there. Very simple. Rama came to the forest alone. Alone. And he collected the people, okay? And he could achieve whatever the goal he set. He achieved it. You must have heard this very popular quote. Coming together is beginning. Remaining together is progress. Working together is success. Have you heard it? Now you hear it from me. Otherwise, coming together first. First we have to collect the people. Sugriva, Vibhishana, Hanuman, Jambavan, for coming together. He came alone to the forest. Very interesting. Alone. In between he lost Sita also. One person is minus there. You see his lifestyle. Alone to the forest. He never brought people from Ayodhya. When he went back, he took many thousands of people, crores of people along with him to Ayodhya. And all people are looking, where are you bringing this kind of rakshasas and monkeys from the forest? Coming together, what is the resource, what is it mobilizing? Gathering the people and keeping the people with a leader is not a very ordinary thing. Different ego style. You have to satisfy all the egos by putting some kind of, what is that, poha, bhaji, and whatever they want. Like how you put that, give rice, puffed rice to the fish, the tank. So you have to satisfying all the wishes, bring the people together and understanding their abilities. According to the ability, you have to give the job also. A right person, the right place, a right job is given. How he mobilized and how he brought back Sita. Very highest management and leadership thought you can find in Rama. So personally, I took more than 55, 60 thoughts. I have a separate book. If it is possible in one of the visit, we will see that. We will see. Not we will see that. Very interesting Ramayana. Okay? These are the topic. Only 21 topics I have given. More than this also we can take many. Simply I churned and brought this kind of topics. You liked it? Yes. Say yes. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. My suggestion is, when you read Ramayana, simply it's not you ask anyone, do you know Ramayana? I know. Tell me. Rama went to forest. Poor fellow. Because he could not fight against his father. He went. Nothing he took with him, just he went. In between something happened, he lost Sita, wife. Bad fellow, he was crying. If I would have been there, cried. Unnecessarily he brought her back also. Ordinary person says that. I know. So they went to forest, 14 years they lived, and something happened, and they were fighting with the Rakshasas and brought back, and they lived happily, that's all. This is what Ramayana. Excuse me, sir. This is the outline you are telling. When you go deeper into the Ramayana, this main, the stream of story, when you go deeper, you take many things. All the details, when you read details of Ramayana, we get many good things. Decision making, problem solving, team building. Oh, so many. Simply, I gave you the outlines. These are the topics. More than this also we can take. Is it okay? This is the content of Ramayana. You know the story. These are the details and content of Ramayana. So more things also can be taken from Ramayana. Now, Rama, the ideal man forever. Now you tell me, Rama. According to Valmiki, Rama, the ideal man, not Lord. First you have to understand this. But we are worshipping in the temple. Yes, we are worshipping. We are worshipping. Om Ramaya Namaha. Om Dasharatha Putraya Namaha. Vishwamitra Priyaya Namaha. Namaskar. According to Valmiki, Valmiki introduced Rama to us as a human being. You read 24,000 slokas he has written. So one more important, the nice point I tell you, 24,000 slokas, okay? Gayatri Mantra is the essence of Vedas. Tatsavidravarenyam, from there only mantra starts. Om, Omkara. Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Swaha is Vyahriti. And the mantra starts from Tatsavidravarenyam, Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi, Dhyo Yona Prachodhi. This is the mantra. So great saints, they are telling, they are giving the interpretation and they are showing the slokas also. The Valmiki Ramayana, 24,000 slokas of Valmiki Ramayana is a commentary or expansion of 24 akshara. 24 aksharas you find in Gayatri Mantra. 24 aksharas of Gayatri Mantra is expanded into 24,000 slokas of Valmiki Ramayana. The essence of Gayatri Mantra is Parabrahman. The essence of Ramayana is Paramatma, same Paramatma has appeared in the form of Rama. Parabrahman, Paramatma only, in the form of Rama. What they were telling, and they are bringing the slokas also. Valmiki has taken one letter from this Gayatri Mantra. Suppose he has taken first letter Ta, keeping Ta, and he started 1,000 slokas. That was the first letter for 1,000 sloka. Next 1,000 sloka, you take second letter, again to the next 1,000. Like that, 24 aksharas, 24,000 slokas. Getting expansion of the Gayatri Mantra. That means what? This is the Valmiki Ramayana is none other than the essence of Vedas again. Who is Veda Purusha? Parabrahman. Here who is Veda Purusha? Rama. Very nice point, eh? Say nice. Very nice. Expansion. First letter he takes, Ta. The first sloka starts with Tapaswadhyay niratam tapasvi vagvidam varam Naradam paribaprachya Valmikir Munipungavam. This is the first sloka of Valmiki Ramayana. How he starts? Tapaswadhyay niratam tapa. Ta, first letter. Tatsavidur varenyam. Ta, first letter. Are you getting it? 24,000. This is a point. According to Valmiki, Rama's ideal man, that's all, not Lord. But he says in the beginning, Lord only came into the earth. Jagnya Vishnu Sanatana, he says that. Jagnya Vishnu only took avatar, or Vishnu only took the form of Rama. In the beginning he says, after that, he came in the form of Rama, as a human being, then he started living as a human being, that's all. Afterwards, he never says he is Avatar Purusha. No. According to Valmiki, Rama is a man. Ramena Manushena Padadina says, when Rama killed 14,000 Rakshasas in the Dandakaranya, Valmiki says, Ramena, Ekena, only one person, only one hero. In an ordinary film, the hero can hit only 10 people maximum, or 15. First the hero should get beaten. First he has to in Indian Tamil cinema, MJR will not hit first. First you have to fall. And you have to get the blood particularly this place. Then only he will start fighting. Interesting. We have seen that movies in India. Sound, the same sound from the beginning. Any fight, the same sound. Actually, it should come tok tok or bhut bhut. The sound should come when you hit. This is sound. Instead of this sound, the sound comes. I don't know. Ordinary film and all. Cinema, the hero first he will get beaten by these people, the rowdies. Then only he'll. Here Rama, 14,000 Rakshasas, single person, Valmiki says that. 14,000 Rakshasas in a single-handed. Ramena, Ekena, Padadina. Just he was walking. He was not having any chariot in the forest. Padadina. Who is it? Manushena. You have to underline that. Very, very carefully, Valmiki brings Manushena, by human being. And the same contrast, the contrast you can see in Bhagavad. Whenever you read Bhagavad, Krishna's life, Krishnena, Ishwarena. Bhagavan Vedavyasa brings Ishwarena, because he was dancing with Gopikas. At that time, Ishwarena, you be careful. When dances with Gopika, hey, I also want to dance like this. Excuse me. You cannot. Are you getting it? The man is so much inspired. I also want to dance like Krishna. Stop. It is not possible. You married only one person. Is it possible to live happily? Azal. Your lifetime, you take up the vrata that. You take up the vrata, I marry this girl and I will not make her cry in my whole life. You take the vow like that, which is possible. This will happen in reverse direction. I will not make her cry. But she every day cry. That is also possible. This is also possible. In Rama's life, you see that. In Krishna's life, he made all the people very happy. Krishna, an ordinary man cannot do this. But he made like, I want to dance like Krishna. Excuse me, sir, it is not possible. Why? Ishwarena. So you have to underline that line there. Whatever Krishna did, because Krishna can do that. Before Krishna was dancing, many asked our Gurudev also, Krishna, huh? Why we can't? Many people asked Gurudev. Krishna had so many. I am also a great hero. Excuse me. Before that, Krishna drank poison. So, first you drink poison, then you come here. Again. Ordinary human being cannot follow this kind of thing. Ishwarena. He was drinking over the poison and dancing on the snake. And all the things you have to do if you want to dance with Gopikas. So Vyasa, when he was explaining about Krishna's life, Bhagavan Veda Vyasa, he had never forgotten that, mentioning Ishwarena Krishnena. This is a complete contrast. Here, who is this? Ramena Manushena. Very interesting. When Draupadi was humiliated in the Sabha, there in Hastinapura, she was shouting, Oh Krishna, Dwaraka Purivasan, Hridaya Kapalavasan, Govinda, like. Krishna was there in Dwaraka. He heard the sound of Draupadi. How many kilometers away? How many kilometers Krishna was away from Draupadi, shouting in the Sabha? He could hear. And he sends the saris also. The saris is going down. Saris are coming from Dwaraka. And she is getting here. And Bharatiyar says in Panjali Sabana very nicely, Vanna porchailagal valarndanave. Vanna porchail, Vanna means colorful. The colorful, what that the porchailagal. It is made up of gold, what do you call it? Yeah, you know that. You know. All very costly and very powerful, very colorful dresses, the saris coming. From Dwaraka, he was sending all the saris. Why? Ishwarena. There we should not ask question. We should not. Why Ishwarena? Everything is possible in the Ishwara's hand. The whole globe is what's that? Floating in the space. Ishwarena. The water is completely, what is that? You see how, when you see the water is flowing on the earth, water is flowing. The whole water is, what is that? On the globe. Oh, we do not know how it flows. How water is completely attached to this globe and how it moves in the air, space. Interesting, eh? How we came out of our mother and we are growing outside. In all the direction we are growing. But how from mother? From small egg, the bird is coming out. How? Colorful bird. Very interesting. Everything is possible in Ishvara's hand. Achintya Rachana Rupam. We cannot imagine his power. Aparimita Shaktitvad. Ishvara has got Aparimita Shakti. In Avatara, he can send sari from Dwaraka to Hastinapura. Simple. Why Ishwarena Krishnena? In Rama's life, Sita was kidnapped, Rama was crying. Ayyo, Sita.